Good morning, ABC Logistic. How may I help you?
Good morning. I am looking for anyone.
Sorry, who?
Anyone.
I'm sorry, we're very busy at the moment. So can you tell me who you're looking for?
I told you, I am looking for anyone.
May I know who I'm speaking to right now?
I am someone.
Right. So someone is looking for anyone. How about what?
Please tell anyone. Her sister, everyone, is in the hospital. And her brother, Sam1, is looking for her.
I'm about to beat your